Hey guys, Jacob Street here with Waxahachie Ford. Hey, I know there's a lot of concern with the coronavirus. I just want to let you know here at Waxahachie Ford, we're taking all the precautions to make sure you are safe and can still go on with your normal day-to-day schedule with getting your vehicle serviced and or repaired. Whatever you need, we're still here. We're still open. I've got Mitchell. This is one of our professional service porters here that checks in all the vehicles and dispatches them. Mitchell, why don't you go ahead and show them how you prep every vehicle for service?
Okay, so basically we've been starting it off with getting a clean rag, using some good cleansing, some Lysol, wiping down the handles. Everybody touches handles, keys too as well. We like to start off with the seat cover. People have things all over their pants, so you don't want to get nut in customers' vehicles. What we first like to start off with is also spraying down your steering wheel, making sure that whatever is touched is also clean and that there are no germs being spread.
That is actual disinfectant.
And then we finish with the touch to your gear shift over here. Make sure everything is nice and spot clean. That way whatever's hands are on it, whatever touches it is no longer there and nothing can be contracted. Stay safe, wash your hands, and say no to germs.